Good morning, friends. Today you are going to be using a Scholastic site to read a fiction text and a nonfiction text about life in a pond. So let me show you on my screen what that's going to look like. So when you go to the Scholastic Learn at Home site, you first want to make sure that you are not on week 1. You want to make sure that week 2 is selected. And after you're on week 2, it's going to be the first text that pop up. Day 6. Earth Science Ponds. You are going to be reading this fiction text and this nonfiction text. And you're also going to want to watch the video, A Pond is a Habitat. The first thing we're going to do is click Take Me There. And you're going to do these top three items on the side here. So you're going to do watch the story first.
In the small pond.
And then you're going to read the book. And you want to make sure that you're doing the read along option.
This is a lake. It's big and it's deep.
And you can read those words at the same time as the reader, or you can echo read them after like this.
This is a lake. It's big and it's deep.
This is a lake. It's big and it's deep. You will just click on the arrow to go to the next page.
This is a pond.
And then after you read the book, you're going to do the word match
Read
activity.
the clue below. Click on the word it matches. Match all the words to uncover a picture. Not deep.
And you'll select the word that is down here below. That means not deep. After you have done those activities, you'll want to make sure that you come back and watch the video, A Pond is a Habitat. Now with this information, you are going to be answering this question today that's linked in the slide presentation. What did I learn about life in a pond ecosystem? And you're going to be posting that to a Padlet link. So some questions and vocabulary that you might want to think about and use are down here in the green box. A question you might want to think about is, how is a pond different from a lake? What animals are found in a pond ecosystem? And some important vocabulary: nature, plankton, marsh, or shallow that you could use in your response. Now you'll post them to this Padlet that I have linked. And I want to show you, I've gone ahead and I've started a response here, but here's how you'll get your box. You will click on the little pink arrow down at the bottom, okay? You might want to notice something about my response to begin with. You notice my name here at the top. You're going to want to put your name there too, so I know that this is you responding. If you don't, I won't have any idea who wrote this, okay? So again, make sure to write your name here as the title. And then where it says write something, I want you to go ahead and post your response to that question. After you post it, it will be on here for Mrs. Rice and anyone in the class to see and to respond to. So just like we have been doing with our classroom Padlets, you can come down and comment below on what other people are saying. Okay, you can see that in my response, I just started. It says, I learned that a pond is different than a lake because, but I didn't finish that because I didn't want to give anything away because I want you guys to understand that and learn that on your own. Okay? So when you come down and post a comment about someone else's, you could say something like, great thinking. And then when you want to post, just click the arrow. Okay? So today, just to recap, after you watch the videos and do the activities online, you're going to answer the question, what did I learn in a pond ecosystem? Some things to think about are here in the green box. You're going to post those on the Padlet, making sure to include your name at the top for your response. Thank you, friends. I can't wait to see what you learned today and what you record on our Padlet.